Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to tell you some facts about goal settings. Do you know that the people who write down their goals are 20% more likely to achieve their goals than the people who don't write? And then there's a research which says that if you write down your goals, your chances of achieving your goal increases 42% than the people who don't write them. So my first advice to all of you is to write down your goals. Writing down your goal is the most important element in goal setting. Second thing is, do we need to make goals in our life? Definitely we need to make goals in our life. Why we need to make goals in life? Because goals give you clarity. And clarity is very important in life to achieve success. Goals give you purpose, that why are you in this world? What is your mission in life? You become motivated when you have goals in life. You discover your own self when you achieve your goals. Goals give you energy. You become energetic. You become enthusiastic, vibrant, diligent, passionate, determined, resilient. So these are the qualities you have when you have your own goals in your life. There's a concept that was presented by George Doran in 1981, and the concept is called SMART goals. So what are SMART goals? SMART is an acronym that he used. SMART means that specific, that you need to be specific. Instead of just saying that I want to lose weight, you should be quite specific that I want to lose 10 kg, 20 kg. So quite specifically, you have to write down that how much or how many kilos you need to reduce weight. Second thing is, the goals should be measurable, that you should be able to measure your goals. For example, if your goal is to reduce 20 kg, after reducing 2 kg, you measure that now 18 kgs are remaining. This is measurable. Next is achievable. Your goals should be achievable. If you want to lose 20 kg, it is achievable. If a person is overweight and he wants to reduce 10 or 20 kgs, then he should be quite clear that how much weight he wants to reduce. So it is a realistic goal. And the last one is time bound. You should be time bound, that within 1 month I will reduce 10 kg, or within 2 months I will reduce 20 kg. So you need to be quite specific. The goal should be specific, measurable, realistic, achievable, and time bound. The good thing I like about goals are that there was an exercise which I was doing, and in exercise I realized that if you are in a program or in a conference and whatever question you don't know any answer about or you're not clear about, then you can simply say that you must have goals in your life. For example, if I'm making the video, I must have a goal, specific goal in my life. If I am doing anything, goals can be used anywhere in life. So what I would suggest to all of you, that you must have specific goals. If you are a student, you must have study goals. If you are a teacher, you must have teaching goals. Your goals should be quite specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you next time with another video.